So hey all, this is Shubhankar here from Quantsap. So today we are going to understand the futures OI historical in the built up tool in Quantsap. So futures OIH, it's showing us how the futures open interest is changing and H is resembling historical. So it is showing us the futures open interest historic data, wherein for each and every script I can see how the built up has been made in futures contract. White color line is indicating us the price movement in Bank Nifty, wherein the green color bars are indicating me a long built up, blue color bars are indicating me a long unwindings move, red color bars are indicating a short built up, yellow color bars are highlighting me a short covering move. So I'll get to see the change in cumulative open interest in the built up tool in futures contracts. Also, if I want to check how much the open interest changed in absolute figures, so I can find it out in the absolute OI. So it will show me how much the open interest changed in absolute quantum in futures contract of Bank Nifty, wherein if I am seeing on 25th of Feb the absolute OI in futures contract, it actually reduced by 6,01,700, whereas then a short built up move came in wherein futures open interest increased by 5,78,800 on 26th of Feb and Bank Nifty's future price was 34,870. So if the numbers are getting quite confusing, I can always refer to the open interest change in percentage format. So wherein it will directly show us in exactly how much percentage the open interest increased or decreased. So apart from it, if I want to have a look at it in the tabular view, so I'll just click on the toggle to tabular view section over here, and then all of the data would be presented for me in a tabular format, wherein I'll get to see the date, I'll get to see open interest in futures contract, absolute open interest change in percentage format, price of the instrument which is Bank Nifty, and the reading what built up came on that day. Also, if I want, I can change my look back period. So if I want to check the data since January 2016, so I can do that as well. So wherein I can identify the price move. So also if I want to change my look back data, if I want to increase the size of my look back data, so let's say if I want to go ahead and see how the open interest has been changing and the price movement in Bank Nifty since 1st of December 2020, so I can do that way around as well. So wherein I'll get to see the data which is since 1st of December 2020 up till current time. So that was it from the futures open interest historical, and thank you again for listening me up till here. So we do post similar sort of learning content on YouTube. To stay tuned, you can just hit the subscribe button to get a notification whenever we post something. You can hit the bell icon. Also, you can refer Quantsap to one of your friends. So in that case, you receive 100 rupees reward points in your Quantsap account and your friend receives 500 rupees reward point in his Quantsap account, which can be used for the further purchases made in Quantsap application. Thank you. See you all in the next video.